Hello students, good afternoon. My name is Professor D.Y. Patil. Welcome to my lecture on chapter number 10 Halogen Derivative for the class 12 Science. Subject Chemistry, Maharashtra State Board New Syllabus 2020. In the previous lecture we have studied about nomenclature of monohalogen derivative of alkanes. Today we are going to study next part of nomenclature. We will start with what? Nomenclature of dihalogen derivative of alkane. Already we have studied about dihalogen derivative. Dihalogen derivatives are the compounds which contains two halogen atoms. See, there are two types. One is what? Geminal dihalide. Geminal dihalide. And second type is what? Vicinal dihalide. In geminal dihalide, both the halogen atoms attached to the same carbon atom. You remember geminal means what? Same. And in vicinal dihalide, both the halogen atoms attached to the adjacent carbon atoms. We can consider directly its common name. Common name of geminal dihalide can be written as alkylene dihalide. And for vicinal dihalide, common name is written as alkylene. You remember this part. Alkylene dihalide. Okay, we'll start with the structures. The first structures CH3 CH Br Br. For this, first you identify is it geminal or vicinal. See here, both the halogen atoms are attached to the same carbon atom. That means it is an example of geminal dihalide. So its name can be written as what? Alkylene dihalide. So for this structure, common name can be written as see, there are two carbon atoms, so it is written as ethylene dibromide. Similarly, you have to write down here IUPAC name of this compound. IUPAC name. First, see, this carbon atom is nearest to the functional group, that is halogen atom. So put number 1 to this and this second. So here you get what? 1 di, because two bromine atom. So dibromo, and alkane is what? Ethane. So its common name is ethylene dibromide and IUPAC name is what? 1,1-dibromoethane. We can proceed for next example. Second example, we can consider CH2Br CH2Br. For the structures, see, first of all, it is an example of vicinal dihalide because here both the same halogen atoms are attached to the adjacent carbon atom. So its name can be written as alkylene dihalide, but here it is written as what? Ethylene dibromide. And in order to give IUPAC name, it is very easy. You can consider 1 and this 2. So you get 1, 2. Both the halogen atoms are attached to adjacent carbon atom. It is attached to first carbon atom as well as second carbon atom. So here you get what? 1,2-dibromoethane. It is about what? Dihalogen derivative. Now we can proceed for one more example. See, CH3 CH Cl CH Cl. Now again see, fluorine. There is two fluorine atoms attached to adjacent carbon atom. So its common name can be written as See, there are three carbon atoms. 1, 2, 3. Its name is propylene dichloride. IUPAC name is 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2 dichloropropane. Because see here, the first carbon atom chlorine atom is attached, to the second carbon atom chlorine atom is attached, and parent alkane is what? 1, 2, 3 propane. So its name is 1, 2 dichloropropane. Now we will proceed for next part, that is third part, that is nomenclature of trihalogen derivatives. Of alkane. See here, it can start directly. C H Cl Cl. See, this compound contains three halogen atoms, so they are called as what? Trihalogen derivatives. For this, common name can be written as common name. For trihalogen derivatives, common name is written as common name. Is written as halo form. Halo form. So here, for this structure, common name is written as what? Halogen is what? Chlorine. So here it is written as chloroform. And IUPAC name is very easy. See, the first carbon atom it is attached, so its name is what? Trichloromethane. In the similar manner, we can write, instead of Cl we can put Br and write for bromoform. If I is there, then you get iodoform, etc. In the similar manner, we can name the trihalogen derivatives. Okay, we will proceed for next part, that is fourth part, nomenclature of trihalogen derivatives. Tetrahalogen derivatives of alkene. Directly we can proceed. For example, C Br 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 Br. See, in tetrahalogen derivative of alkane, there are 4 halogen atoms are present. For this, common name can be written as in different manner. It is written as C for carbon, again tetrabromide, carbon tetrabromide, and IUPAC name can be written as tetrabromomethane. Tetrabromomethane. If Br is replaced by chlorine, then you get carbon tetrachloride, and IUPAC name can be written as tetrachloromethane. Similarly, see what I have written here lithium, because from methane 4 hydrogen atoms are replaced by what? Br atom. If Br is replaced by I, then you get carbon tetraiodide, and IUPAC name can be written as tetraiodomethane. Now proceed for nomenclature of vinylic halide. We already studied about vinylic halide. You can take directly CH2 double bond CH Pr. Common name can be written as what? Vinyl bromide. Why is it called vinylic halide? Because in this halogen atom is attached directly to the sp2 hybridase carbon atom. So remember this structure, vinyl bromide. IUPAC name can be written as 1, 2. So it is written as 1 bromoethene because there is a double bond between two carbon atoms. Similarly, if Br is replaced by I, then you get vinyl iodide, and here you get what? 1-iodoethene. If Br is replaced by Cl, then you get what? Vinyl chloride, and IUPAC name 1-chloroethene or 1-iodoethene, etc. We can proceed for next compound. There is nomenclature of allylic halide. See, this carbon atom is sp3 hybridase carbon atom, and here in allylic halide, halogen atom is attached to sp3 hybridase carbon atom next to carbon-carbon double bond. So it is what? Allylic carbon atom, and its common name can be written as allyl chloride. If here Br is there, then you get allyl bromide. If I is there, then you get allyl iodide. Now see the IUPAC name. IUPAC name can be written as 1, 2, 3. Remember, alkene prefer first as compared to chlorine. So here you get 3 chloroprop, and here after first carbon atom double bond is there, so you get prop 1 in. See, to the third carbon atom chlorine is attached, and there are 3 carbon atoms in the parent chain, and it is what? Alkene. So you get 3 chloroprop 1. I hope you understood this concept. Now we can proceed for next part, that is nomenclature of benzylic halide. See here, this is again sp3 hybridase carbon atom, which is next to carbon-carbon double bond, or you can say it is next to aromatic ring. So it is what? Benzylic carbon atom. So its common name can be written as see, if you consider this structure, remember this CH2. This structure is called as what? Benzyl group. Benzyl. So here you get benzyl, and halogen is Br, so you get what? Benzyl bromide. If chlorine is there, then you get benzyl chloride. If I is there, then you get benzyl iodide. Now, in order to give IUPAC name, see here, this is the first carbon atom to this phenyl as well as bromine atoms are attached. So its name can be written as 1-bromo. Substituent is what? Phenyl. 1-bromo-phenyl, and this carbon atom, there is only one carbon atom, so it is what? Methane. So you get 1-bromo-phenyl methane. Okay, this is about nomenclature of benzene halides. Remember this, CH2 group attached to aromatic ring is called as what? Benzyl. So next part, nomenclature of haloarenes or aryl halide. Okay, we can consider example. The aromatic ring, I put here chlorine. So for this common thing, again you remember the structure. Remember valency. This called as what? Or we can say C6H5 dash. This part is called as what? Phenyl. This part is called as what? Phenyl. So its name is what? Phenyl chloride. And IUPAC name is written as chlorobenzene. If here Br is given, then you get phenyl bromide, and here you get what? Bromobenzene. If I is there, then you get phenyl iodide and you get iodobenzene. I think you understood this. You can proceed for next part. Nomenclature of dihalogen derivatives of arenes. See the example. This is the benzene ring. I put here Br. If this is a Br and this is what? Second. If you remember, if this is the first position, then this position they are called as what? Ortho. 3 and 5 ortho. This position is called as what? Meta. And this position is called as what? Pair. You remember this. I am writing here one structure. Substituting X is ortho. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2 and 6 ortho. Meta, and fourth one is what? Para. Remember this. See here. Common name. Here is the first carbon atom, is second. This position is called as what? Ortho. So you keep ortho dibromo benzene. And IUPAC name is very easy. You can take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2. Because at first position and second position, Br is there. You get 1, 2 dibromobenzene. Similarly, if Br is here, then you get the first example. Now see the second. I put Br here. Then you get what? Instead of O, you get M, and instead of 2, you get what? 3. 1, 3 dibromobenzene. Similarly, if you put, I can consider next. Third example. Example third. Br, Br. Then instead of M you can put P, and instead of 3 you can put 1 4. So it is what? Para 1 2 3 4 5 6 para diatomobenzene and 1 4 diatomobenzene. Now come to 10th. Tri-halogen derivative of arenes. See the example. Now proceed for nomenclature of tri-halogen derivative of arenes. Again, we can take only one example. Put Cl, Cl and Cl for this common name. Here 1 2 3 4 5 6. I can write C here for 1 3 and 5. This portion they are what? Symmetrical, because if you draw one line from this way, this divides the structures into two equal parts. So it's written as what? Sym. Tri chloro, because 3 chlorine, trichlorobenzene. And you know that in aromatic ring, carbon atoms are sp2 hybridized. Okay, and we see next one, IUPAC name. It is written as 1 3 5 trichlorobenzene. Okay, now we can proceed for the last part, that is haloalkynes. Nomenclature of haloalkynes. See, in haloalkynes, halogen atoms are attached to sp hybridized carbon atom. So its common name, see here, it is sp hybridized carbon atom because it is triple bonded. Its common name can be written as, first of all, it is acetylene, so it is written as bromoacetylene, and IUPAC name is written as bromoethyl, because two carbon atoms are there. What happened here? See, you know the acetylene, Sc triple bond CH. See, H is replaced by what? Br. Therefore, its name can be written as what? Bromoacetylene, and IUPAC name can be written as what? Bromoethyl. Now we have completed nomenclature of halogen derivative of alkanes as well as arenes. Thank you very much. Stay home, stay safe, and enjoy study.